There are three main ways that people use a reverse mortgage. The biggest way, the most popular way, is for somebody to eliminate their mandatory monthly principal and interest mortgage payment. Think about it. If someone could free up that monthly mortgage payment, the biggest expense in their budget, that would give them more cash flow each month. About 2/3 of people use it that way. The second way people use it is to access their equity. If you own your house outright or have a lot of equity, this can be a windfall for you where you could turn that equity into cash flow, either monthly payments, lump sum, or a line of credit that grows by compound interest year over year. The third way that people use it, and a lot of people don't know this, is you can finance your next home with a reverse mortgage. Why would you do that? Well, maybe the home you're living in doesn't suit you in the stage of life. Maybe it's too much to maintain, or you can't navigate the stairs anymore. Or you just want to move to a safer neighborhood or closer to family. So those are the main ways that people use a reverse mortgage. If you want to learn more, feel free to reach out. We can visit. Thanks.